Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video I am going to discuss about sample survey and the advantages of sample survey our census. So what is sample survey? In part enumeration are representative part like sample of individual or object selected from the population are being consulted enumerated in the light of the study topic. The part enumeration is also technically known as sample survey. It is also important to note here the sample survey is used to generate estimates about population characteristics. So what is the advantage of sample survey? Cost, time and labor saving. Basically, sample survey being small scale exercise as compared to census helps in saving time, labor and cost. Being a small scale exercise, sample survey is particularly useful in those situations in which information is urgently desired. Sample survey is preferred in product survey. For example, everyone of us purchases everyday used commodities just by observing a small part of these commodities. Sample survey is also preferred in the situation in which populations consist of destructive nature of elements from testing point of view. Being a small scale exercise, more concentrations may be placed in collecting accurate and unanimous information from the different respondents. Being a small scale exercise, an attempt has been made to collect detailed information regarding the topic. Being a small scale exercise, more sophisticated techniques can be adopted in compilation of collected data. Being a small scale exercise, the researcher may reduce non-response cases by repeated attempts. Being a small scale exercise, the researcher can easily control different phases of the survey. Censuses are usually repeated after a long span of time as 10 years in case of population census. However, sample survey can be repeated at small interval of time. I hope so you understood the simple concept about sample survey and the advantages of sample survey. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Goodbye.